Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Mocho, Clarendon. Be forever free from electricity and water bills. Boasting finely crafted, custom designed doors, bedroom closets, and bathroom and kitchen fixtures. This two-story, 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, completely off-grid home sits on 2 acres of fertile, well-footed land. A massive underground tank with filtration system more than adequately supplies the property with water. Electricity is provided by solar panels. This property offers so many possibilities. There is an 80 feet greenhouse with automated fertigation system that can be a huge source of income. Additionally, a self-contained section of the house can be rented to tenants, and a portion of the land can be easily subdivided and sold. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 400,000 or Jamaican $61.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.